Hey Brian, just giving you the video walk around of the Qashqai. Just want to give you a good indication of the alloy wheels and the bodywork. Front of the car looks all good. Alloy wheels are in good condition. Front bumper and front passenger wheel is all good. Quarter panel and bonnet is free from any scratches or dents. Down on the passenger side, the wing mirror and the doors are in good condition, as is the rear alloy wheel. Quarter panel. Coming around to the back of the car, the rear bumper, boot lid, top of the spoiler is all good. Inside the car, I think I'll pop that back in underneath where it was before. Move that out of the way. The boot itself is all good. They typically come with inflation kits these days. Back round to the driver's side. Doors and wing mirror in good condition. Door card. Driver's seat and front passenger seat is all good, as is the dashboard, the steering wheel, and indeed the back of the car. Hope you like it. Speak to you soon. Thank you.